Okay then. That's what I'll do. I'll tell you a story. Can you hear them? All these people who lived in terror of you and your judgment. All these people whose ancestors devoted themselves and sacrificed themselves to you. Can you actually hear them singing? Oh, you like to think you're a god. But you're not a god. You're just a parasite, eating out with jealousy and envy and longing for the lives of others. You feed on them, on the memory of love, loss, birth, death, joy and sorrow. So, come on then, take my memories. But you better have a big appetite, because I have lived a long life, and I have seen quite a few things. I walked away from the last great Time War. I marked the passing of the Time Lords. I saw the birth of the universe, and I watched as time ran out, moment by moment, until nothing remained. No time, no space, just me. I've walked in universes where the laws of physics were devised by the mind of a madman. And I've watched universes freeze and creations burn. I have seen things you would not believe. I have lost things you will never understand. And I know things, secrets that was never really told, knowledge that was never be spoken, knowledge that will make parasite gods blaze. So come on then, take it all, baby. Have it. You have it all.